To properly measure your head for a full hair system, you will need a tape measure, a pen, and paper. Start by holding measuring tape at your front hairline. Follow the hairline circumference around your head. Continue around head until you reach the front starting point. Record your results. Next, measure ear to ear. Establish your top of head point by measuring 7 inches back from the front hairline. This will indicate where the tape measure will pass across the head. Hold measuring tape at hairline at top of one ear. Guide measuring tape across the top of head point and continue down to your hairline at the bottom of the opposite ear. Record your results. Your last measurement is front to back. Hold measuring tape at your front hairline. Follow a straight line down the center of your head, ending at the hairline at the nape. Record your results. Once you are done, refer back to Jon Renau's sizing chart to determine your size. If your 3 measurements are not exactly matched to any one of the standard sizes, choose the wig size that is indicated by the largest measurement.